Hey, what's going on everyone? I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the impact wheels from Tusk. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. So today we are showing you the impact wheels from Tusk. If you are looking for a good looking, strong, durable set of wheels at a price that cannot be beat, then the impact wheels are what you need. I've ridden on these on all my last bikes over the last few years. I've loved them. I had them on my 2017 Honda 450, my 2018 RMZ 450, my Cowie, and now my new Honda 450, and these have always been awesome for me. The durability has been great. They look awesome, but look, don't take my word for it. There are hundreds of rider reviews that you can check out on the product page. Read what other people are saying about these. We had Chris Kiefer, he tested out a set of these wheels. We all know that he is not easy on gear, so if you want, you can listen to his podcast or read his review, and he had a lot of really good things to say about the impact wheels. And there's a couple reasons why I love an extra set of wheels. First of all, because they look good. If you want to give your bike a facelift, I think there's no better way to do it than a fresh set of wheels on there, or maybe some graphics, but wheels always look really, really good. The other reason is because it's a convenience thing. I always take an extra set of wheels with me to the track or wherever I'm riding. And the reason for that is, one, I don't like to change a flat tire if you get one while you're out riding. For me, it's a lot easier to just swap out a complete rear wheel or front if you do get a flat versus trying to change a tube wherever you're going to be at. Or maybe you're out riding and you damage a wheel and you need to replace it. Well, if you don't have an extra set of wheels, well, your ride's gonna be a ruin, or maybe you're with a friend and they damage their wheel. Nobody wants to be that person stuck at the truck while everybody's out there riding, having a good time. So those are really the two big reasons that I like it, having an extra set of wheels. But here's what's cool about the impact wheels. Like I said, these are super strong. They're built really well at a great price. So if we talk about construction, the rims are made from a 7050 T6 aluminum. So it's lightweight, but very strong. You've got your 304 stainless steel spokes. And then the hubs are a 6061 T6 aluminum that is forged, not cast. And then it's CNC machined for precision fitment. And when you pick up your wheels, you will get your seal bearings, your seals, and your anodized spacers. That will all come included when you buy either a front, rear, or if you get a wheel package. Now, as you can see, a lot of really cool colorways to choose from. You've got black rims with your anodized hubs in different colorways. We also have silver rims that you can check out as well. Some of the options will have black spokes, some will have silver. So a lot of cool options to choose from. And to know what one's available for your bike or what colorways, all you do is just enter the make, model, and the year of the bike that you're shopping for on the product page, and it will show you what combinations are available for that bike. Now, as far as sizing goes, a lot of sizes to choose from. We've got your 18 and 19 inch rears plus your 21 inch fronts for your big bikes. And what's cool too about the impacts is we also have mini bike sizes as well. So from your big bikes to your small bikes, we have got you covered. Now, another thing to keep in mind, as far as what's available, there's a lot of different options. So if you want, depending on what your needs are, what your budget allows you, you could buy just a rear or just a front by itself. And no matter what you go with, like I said, it will come with your seal bearings, your seals, and your anodized spacers. Or we do have our tire wheel kit will come with your front and your rear wheel. And we also have our tire wheel package that will come with your front and rear wheel plus brake rotors for the front and rear, as well as a rear sprocket. And that rear sprocket will have the same tooth count as what came from the manufacturer on your motorcycle. So if you want to get everything you need all in one stop, that is the easiest way to do it. Now keep in mind too that we do sell the hubs by themselves, not laced up to a rim. We sell rims by themselves. We have spoke kits. So if you have a set of these and you want to lace it up with some new spokes, or maybe you put a lot of hours on your rim, you just want to replace it, you can do that. We have great how-to videos that show you how to lace up a brand new wheel, or even how to true a wheel if you do need to do that. Now the last thing I do want to point out is that no matter what wheel set you get, it's important you always want to be checking your spoke tension. So if you don't have one already, I recommend getting a spoke torque wrench. It's a really handy tool to have. You go through, you check your spoke tension, make sure that's set correctly, and that is going to help prevent any possible damage to your wheel down the future. So just make sure to keep up on that maintenance. But in any case, again, if you're looking for an awesome aftermarket set of wheels, Impacts have got you covered. A lot of cool colorways. Again, strong, durable, great price point. Questions or comments, you can leave those below and grab your set today. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Remember, orders over $75 ship free. If you like this video and you want to see more just like it, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and stay up to date. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.